So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I will be showing you how to earn $50 by referring a friend here on Tangerine Bank. So once the Tangerine Bank app is opened up, go to the bottom right and press More. Then once you're here, select at the top where it says Refer a Friend. Then once you're on the Refer a friend page right here, if you want to earn $50, you both get $50 when you refer a friend. So how to exactly do this is to share your orange key referral code, and then what your friend has to do that uses the code has to join Tangerine using the code, open an eligible account, and then deposit at least $250 within 60 days and keep it there for 60 days in a row. And then you both get a free $50. So if you want to go ahead and actually access the code, you can press Refer a Friend at the bottom, or you can scroll down and see your orange key referral code right here. Copy that code, send it to someone, they type in that code, and then you can earn $50 that way by following and adhering to the requirements here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to earn $50 by referring a friend here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.